Hi, and welcome back to Zarnista Studios. This is a follow-up video I did about 2 years ago where this is my late 1999 or 1998 Walt Disney World monorail that has a little train track, and I put under my Christmas tree. And over the years, it's yellowed. It's yellowed really bad, a tobacco yellow, really. And what my goal was a couple of years ago was to see if I could use peroxide to make it white again. And it did actually work. And at the end, I'll post some photos of the start, the soak, and the finish. And then over the course of 2 years, it's yellowed again. So I'm kind of debating what I want to do. This display right here actually comes with another one that I bought for the 50th anniversary a couple years ago. And that's gold and it's got goofy stickers on it. But I want the one that I've had. So I'm debating whether or not to paint it. I mean, it's really, really yellow. You can see by how it looks against the Stormtrooper, it should be that white. And it's definitely not even close. So what my goal is I think what I want to do is paint it, and I want to keep the red stripe, and I want to cover up the black here, and I want to maintain the red and just repaint the white. So I'm going to redraw the black areas in Illustrator and make a template and see if I can output it in Cricut so I can make a masking. And the same thing for over here. But I've never used a Cricut before, and I don't currently own a Cricut, and it's probably going to be a while before I can get that into my budget. So that's my plan. So it might be another 2 years before I give you an update. But I did want to give you an update because it's been so long. The yellowing came back. The peroxide did actually work, but it yellowed again. It yellowed very quickly within the first year. And it's only gotten darker, I think. So I'll give you an update when I do, or I am able to get my hands on a Cricut and some white paint and Bravery. So thanks for watching. I wanted to share. Sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. It worked briefly, but the yellowing did come back, and that does happen with white plastic. So we're gonna have to paint it. I think that's our only solution if I actually want to display this again, because the yellow is kind of nasty. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna post some pictures behind it so you can see where I started, how it became white again, and then back to the yellow. See you on the next one.